So today I want to talk about the Tucker floor plan, which is actually pretty similar to the Payton floor plan. The only difference is you're going to have one or two of the end units are going to be 2 stories and not 3 stories. Let's take a closer look. As you can see here, these are the front doors. This is the end unit here, which is the 2-story unit. The nice thing about the 2-story unit here, it has plenty of square footage, but it also allows you to have a 2-car garage. And most likely you're going to have a 2-car parking spot or driveway outside that 2-car garage. Right next to it here, you can see that these are the 3-story units. 1, 2, and 3. We call this the Tucker floor plan. Hopefully that gives you a good idea of the exterior look of it. As you walk through the door here, you're going to see the stairs in front of you, and then off to the left, you're going to have your family room and your kitchen area. As you go a little bit further past the kitchen, you're going to have your 2-car garage that we just talked about. Next to the 2-story unit, you're going to have the 3-story unit. We've talked about this before. It often looks like our Payton floor plan. The only difference here is you're going to have a 2-story unit on the end. And so as you walk through the front door, you're going to have your family area. You're not going to have a kitchen here, but as you walk through, you're going to walk into your 1-car garage that's attached to the unit. The nice thing about the Tucker floor plan and all the units that we have in this floor plan is it's a side-by-side townhome unit. So you're getting the 1 or 2-car garage that's attached to the unit. We've noticed the tenants and the renters really enjoy that. Let's take a little further look beyond the first floor. As you go a little bit further here, you're going to see the second floor right here. So as you walk up the stairs, you're going to see the master bedroom, master bath with a walk-in closet, and then across the hall there, you're going to see your second and third bedroom. Each of those rooms there are going to share a bathroom. You have a linen closet there along with your washer and dryer and your utilities as well. That's going to be your end unit or the 2-story unit. Once again, it's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a 2-car garage. The other unit with the Tucker floor plan is going to be the 3-story. You walk upstairs, you're going to see your kitchen. You have your master bedroom here with your master bath set up. The only difference with this 3-story unit here is you have another level. So as you walk up the stairs, you're going to walk into some additional bedrooms. You have your second bedroom there, and then your third bedroom along with your washer and dryer set up. And then the other 2 or 3 units are going to be exactly the same. So that's our Tucker floor plan. Tenants and renters really love this because it provides either a 1 or 2-car garage that's attached to the unit. During the cold or hot, they can take advantage and park their cars inside, get away from the heat or the cold. Some renters or tenants like to use that as extra storage. It just depends on their situation. But more than anything, you have the 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath for every unit. It's a side-by-side townhome style unit.